Lanterns glow as Osaka gathers by the river.
This batter should pour in a thin ribbon.
The mixture turns smooth. Oil coats each hot mold and the top plate. Each cup gets one octopus piece and garnish.
Set edges, loose centers.
Quarter turns fold batter into spheres. Crisp skins hold soft cores. Bonito stirs. Guests gather.